Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very viral course, and it's a course of Kunafa Chocolate. As you know, these chocolates are so much viral nowadays, and if you check in the market you will just get 2 or 3 flavors in this Kunafa chocolate. But in today's class I will teach you 12 flavors of Kunafa chocolate. So let's see what are the variety I have covered in this class. This is Pista Kunafa chocolates. Okay, so these chocolates are so amazing. When you take the bite of this chocolate, you will feel that crunchiness of Kunafa, and these chocolates are so amazing, so tasty. And if you check in the market, you will just get 2 to 3 flavors in this. But in today's class, I am going to teach you near about 12 flavors, and all are superb. This is chocolate Kunafa chocolate, and this is Biscoff Kunafa chocolate. Beside this course, we have many more courses in chocolate such as designer chocolate, truffle, fudge, chocolate florentine, crunchy chocolate, chocolate bouquet, chocolate bar and chocolate mithai. Okay, then this is my favorite Nutella Kunafa chocolate. Then this is crunchy peanut Kunafa chocolate. As we have more than 240 plus online courses which we have designed in such a way that after learning any course, you can start your small business from home. Then this is classic Kunafa chocolate. And beside these online courses, we have our own brand of masala and premixes. And if you are interested to buy all these products, please check our description box where I have given you buying link for all the product, and even I have given you the contact number. And if even you want to start your small business with us in masala and premixes, even you can contact us and start your small business from home. Okay, then this is Gulkand Kunafa chocolate. And the shelf life of all these chocolate is near about 1 to 1.5 months at room temperature. And this is Walnut Cinnamon Kunafa chocolate. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. And when you join our online course, you will get recipe PDF, full video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubt after joining our course, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way, you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Kinjal Amin. And second is Aryan Jadhav. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online class by contacting on below number. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe our channel.